channel. If you are new here, how you doing? If you are old, welcome back. Today we have a new video and it is a makeup video. Woo, almost dropped my phone, y'all. So it is a makeup video and it is for my influencer box that I did get from Elf. Here it is, bring it around town. Okay, so they sent me for the free, honey, 2 concealers, and it is the 16-hour Camo Concealer, and I got them in the shades Deep Chestnut and Tan Latte. So you know, like when you're choosing the colors from Influencer, you don't really know what products you're getting, so it can be hard to pick, but these are the 2 colors. There we go. So these are the 2 colors. I can go ahead and swatch those for you guys so you have an idea of what they do look like. So this is the Deep Chestnut Fat Applicator. Really fat applicator, which I actually like because I don't like the squeezy concealers. I just put a lot on my hand, y'all, by accident. So this is one, which I'm not mad at. And then I don't use super like light concealer. I know they say you're supposed to go a shade up, but this is light, honey. Yeah. So this one, this is like, I don't want to say that, for not my skin tone, I feel like. So this is one, this is the lighter one, the tan, and this is the Deep Chestnut. So before we get started, I am going to do a full face in this video, and then I'm going to wear this face for the rest of the night, and I'm going to post my thoughts on Instagram for what I think about it, or probably at the end of this video, because I'm going to record some videos, do my makeup, record some videos, and then tell you guys what I think. So let's get started. So before I do get started, I'm going to do my I'm going to do my foundation, and then I'm going to come back and apply the concealer. So just to give you a little background, the 16-hour Camo Concealer is Elf's most full coverage long wear formula, and it's supposed to be long wearing, of course, for 16 hours. It has the large applicator, which I like, which helps with application and maximum coverage, and the wand allows you to sculpt, contour, and highlight. So of course, since those colors are so light, I cannot contour with that, honey, but I am going to try for the full coverage. And it says the formula is the intense pigmentation is full coverage but won't settle into fine lines, courtesy of its oil balancing formula that leaves behind a powder matte finish. So we are going to see if we get a powder matte finish with this concealer. So this is the little card they sent. If it'll focus on me. There we go. Baby, can you focus? So, and then I'm assuming this is showing us the shade range on the card as well. All right, so what I'm gonna do is put on my primer, my foundation, and then come back when it's time to apply the concealer and then go over it. I wish I had some Elf setting powder, but maybe I do, but I don't. I'm gonna check and see if I do, and then we'll be right back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I've put on my foundation. I am using what little bit I have left of the Sephora 10-hour Wear Perfection foundation in Fonte Deep 55. As you can see, it is damn near gone. I need to get some more. So I'm gonna go in with Deep Chestnut the same way I normally would, and I am attempting to use the viewfinder. Nah, this ain't gonna work. Let's do it.
You're my fantasy, right in front of my face.
I like the applicator because it is so big. I can appreciate it being this big, honestly. And then I'm just gonna dab this in. So let's dab it.
Let me pinch myself, I'm wondering if I'm dreaming. You're that sweet potato pie on Thanksgiving. You're that sweet potato pie on Thanksgiving.
You so far from a bitch, you so far from a house.
So this is my face with just the concealer. I'm gonna put some setting powder over it, and then I'll be right back. But I like it. I think it goes on smoothly. It went into my skin pretty good, and I like the applicator. So far so good. So I am gonna go in with my Revolution Makeup Revolution banana powder. It is worn like crazy, but that's what it is. So I'm gonna go off camera, go in with my setting powder, finish off my face, and then come back for my final thoughts.
You the type of girl a nigga sit around and pray for. I'm so sorry, Miss Parker, if I mistreated your daughter. Her wine is good for the heart, so used to sipping on water. These niggas flooding my arc, trying to smother my spark. But what's the purpose of life if it don't ever get dark? See, I know God has humor, he introduced.
So I am loving how my face looks with the concealer and the setting powder. I really like it. It looks smooth. I didn't put no why can't I think? I didn't put any contour or anything on my face. This is gonna be like my natural everyday face. So I'll be right back with the finished product, and then I'll give you my final thoughts. So yeah, I like it though so far though. Elf may be onto something with this. Okay y'all, so this is my finished non-glamorous everyday face just to try out the concealer. I like it. I will definitely be using it. Let me go in here and check the price point, so I can give you guys an accurate price for what it actually costs. So the 16-hour camo concealer from Elf, $5, honey. $5. $5. Like, get into this face. $5? Yeah. Definitely, if you are starting out like a newbie, like I'm a newbie still, but I know how to do a little something to my face, I would definitely use this again. Like, and I used the shade Deep Chestnut, and it's giving me looks. So I use the shade Deep Chestnut. This is probably like the face I would wear to work. Like no lashes, even though y'all know I don't wear lashes like that, but I'm trying to get more into it. No lashes. I don't really have on no dramatic eyeliner or no top eyeliner, no bottom. Just something to make my skin look good. So I really like this one. Yeah, this is it. This a hit, y'all. This a hit. And this is Deep Chestnut. Which is this one. These are both the colors. I'm not really a one shade up concealer kind of girl, so yeah. These are the two colors that I got. Elf. Y'all did that. Okay. So this is it. And again, I got this product from Influencer, free of charge. If you don't know what Influencer is, go ahead and check them out. This is my little camo box, and it is so cute, y'all. Like, they made it real cute. Camo. So if you are new here, or wait, if you have tried this concealer, drop a comment down there and tell me how you like it. And then like this video, comment, and subscribe, because why not? Join the fam, honey. Anyways, I am your girl, Denay, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.